Hey guys, today is day 2 of making this Arduino project. So basically, just to recap, is I want to make a real life Jarvis. So I'll tell them to do stuff and they'll be able to do stuff. So today I actually worked maybe 2 hours on this project, 2.5 hours, about that much time. And I think I made decent progress, honestly. So now we have a lot more new stuff. So this is new. So I'm gonna use Pyautogui today, as well as using daytime. Well, that's not really that important. And then OS and system. Those two are important when it comes to closing or opening specific apps. So, what is Pyautogui? I don't know if I said it last time, but basically, it allows us to manipulate mouse and keyboard strokes. So maybe if we want to click Windows, right, we can get the Python to actually click Windows for us, etc. So this is just for reference of my positioning, the mouse positioning. And that's not important right now. I'm just testing it for future reference. And then yeah, let's just look through everything that's new. So we have welcome Daniel when it starts, and most of it is the same. The thing that I changed or updated is these ones here. So last time I worked on it. I had like these simple, hey Bill, or what's my name, hello. Those are the really simple ones. So today I worked on the more complicated ones, the ones that I actually plan on using for my thing. So basically, let's just start. So here it's if so. Oh yeah, these are new. So taking a screenshot. That's the first thing I worked on. So if I said "Hey Bill" in words and screenshot in words, so basically, um, if "Hey Bill" and screenshot are in the same word. So basically, if I say "Hey Bill, take a screenshot," right? It heard "Hey Bill" and screenshot in the same sentence. So it'll say, yeah, this is true, and then they'll go to this condition. If there is don't, do not, or I don't know, I don't think I need these two, but these two, because they're the same thing verbally. And if they detect one of these, they'll skip this execution. But if they don't, then we start to create the file name of the screenshot. So this one here is basically the format. So basically year, month, day, hour, minute, second. So basically, yeah. And then basically it saves to this folder path. And if this folder doesn't exist, screenshots, if it doesn't exist, then we just create our own one. And then yeah, it just saves it there. And it says took a screenshot. So for open Spotify, so today I was mostly working on Spotify because I think that's the one I use the most because I like listening to music. So elif, hey Bill in words, and open Spotify in words. So basically what this means is it opens Spotify. So if I say hey Bill, open Spotify, right now, like since hey Bill and open Spotify in the same sentence, this will execute. So they'll close Spotify if it's open, and then they'll open it again, and then say Spotify's opened. And then for this one, and if it's close Spotify, it'll close Spotify, and it'll say it's close Spotify. So basically, the reason why I do this here is because, so basically for here is a play my playlist pump. So I have two playlists. If I open Spotify, one is named Pump, and the other one is named 2025. These two I listen to frequently. So basically, here I close Spotify, and then I use Pyautogui to open run, and then basically I delete everything here like that, and then it basically writes this whole thing instantly, and then clicks enter. And this link here is my Spotify link. So if you go to Spotify, they have a specific link. If you right click, share, copy link to this playlist. And the reason why I did this instead of using there's like the Spotify developer mode thing, but basically you need to use a secret ID, which if you share, that's not safe. So this is a safer version. And yeah, so it says play this, and then it sleeps for 2 seconds because it takes time to open it. So I don't want it to execute the tab 5 times to go to the Spotify. So if it goes here, right, it would be tab. Sorry, it'd be tab. Sorry, oops. be tab, 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 5 tabs, and then go to this play here button here, right? And then it says Pyautogui, it clicks enter, and then it plays that playlist, right? So the next one is this one. I don't know why that's here. This is my second playlist, 2025, and it's the same concept. So basically all this, and then other ones is Elif, hey Bill in words, pause, or play, or unpause. So if I say hey Bill, pause, or hey Bill, play, or hey Bill, unpause, it'll click spacebar, and it'll just do like this. Yeah, because I'm planning to add YouTube as well, so spacebar is probably more. It's probably a better idea than enter, because I don't think YouTube enter works to unpause or pause. And this is hey Bill shut down. So if I wanted to shut down, tell them to shut down, and then it shuts down using the system library. And these we've seen last time. So yeah, that is my update on day 2. Okay, so this is the demo of day 2. So I'm just gonna click play here. Here's my microphone, my trusty microphone.
Welcome, Daniel.
Okay, so that still works. So I don't know. Let's just say, hey Bill, open Spotify.
Spotify opened.
Open Spotify using the OS library. And then if I say, hey Bill, play. Starts playing. Say, hey Bill, pause. Hey Bill, pause. Sometimes it doesn't work. I'm gonna try working on that. Maybe it's the background music sound that's like interfering with it. I'm gonna have to put it close to my mouth now. So, hey Bill, pause. Hey Bill, pause. Hey Bill, pause. Okay, that works. So now it's paused. Hey Bill, unpause. Oh, I don't know why it's sometimes buggy, but hey Bill, unpause. Okay, I don't know why there's some delay. I'm gonna work on that maybe tomorrow. Hey Bill, pause. Hey Bill, pause. I don't know why it's not working sometimes. Okay, well now it's, there's a bit of a delay sometimes. Hey Bill, unpause. I don't know why there's some delay sometimes, but hey Bill, unpause. Hey Bill, pause. Okay, now it's working a little bit better. So, hey Bill, close Spotify.
Closed Spotify.
Okay, that's good. Now if I want to play a specific playlist, so if I were to share this with people, right, they would have to enter their playlist themselves, the link to themselves. So, because you see here, it says, when I go to my playlist, it has the specific playlist right here. And then it says playing the Spotify playlist, the name of my playlist, and this one. So if I were to share this later, you would have to change these 3. Or maybe I would find a way to simplify that process. But basically I say, hey Bill, play Pump.
Playing Spotify playlist Pump.
Okay, so it takes some time. Then clicks tab 5 times and click play. So if I say, hey Bill, play 2025. Close it again just to make things simple. Then it goes to the different playlist. It clicks tab 5 times, play. And if I say, hey Bill, play Pump. Oops. Hey Bill, play Pump. Okay.
Playing Spotify playlist Pump.
Okay, and then it plays that. Awesome. So, hey Bill, close Spotify. Hey Bill, close Spotify. Okay, so that's good. So the last thing we want to test is if it can shut down. So, hey Bill, shut down. Hey Bill, shut down.
Shutting down.
Okay, now you can see it shut down. It stopped the program. So yeah, that's the demo.